Understanding, the gist of it is. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English phrase. The gist of it is. This phrase is widely used in both formal and informal settings, and understanding it can really help you grasp the essence of conversations or texts. So, let's get into the details and make sure you can use and understand this phrase confidently. The gist of it is a phrase used to summarize or convey the main point or essence of a discussion, story, argument, or any piece of communication. It's like saying, in short, basically, or to sum up, but with its own nuances. When someone uses this phrase, they're about to give you a condensed version of the details, focusing on the core message. This phrase is incredibly versatile and can be used in a variety of contexts. In everyday conversation, when you're catching up with a friend and you want to give them the main point of a story without all the details. In business meetings, to summarize the main point of a presentation or report. In academic settings, when summarizing the key findings of a research paper or the main argument of a lecture. In writing, to provide readers with a quick summary of the content that follows. It's a handy tool to make complex information more accessible and to ensure the listener or reader understands the most important takeaways. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase can be used in context. In conversation, I had a long chat with the team, and the gist of it is that we need to improve our communication to meet the project deadline. In business, after reviewing the market analysis, the gist of it is that we should expand our digital marketing efforts to stay competitive. In academics, the professor covered a lot of theories in today's lecture, but the gist of it is that economic policies greatly influence market trends. Be concise. The whole point of using this phrase is to distill information into its core message. Keep your summary short and to the point. Focus on the main idea. Identify the most important piece of information you want to convey and build your summary around it. Use it to transition. This phrase is a great way to transition from a detailed explanation to a summary, helping to signal to your audience that you're wrapping up your point. And that's the gist of it when it comes to understanding and using. The gist of it is, in English. This phrase is a powerful tool in your communication arsenal, helping you convey the essence of your message succinctly and effectively. We hope this video has been helpful and that you feel more confident using this phrase in your own conversations and writings. Don't forget to practice, and see you in the next video.